Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I am finally sharing a video where I'm no longer pregnant. I have had my son in this video, and this is my first video back that I made. I had done a lot of pre-recorded videos when I was pregnant so that I could give myself a little bit of grace after having my son Dawson, so that I wouldn't have to be filming. But yeah, so this is my first video back, and you will see him later on in the video. If you have not seen my birth story video, I posted that a couple of weeks ago. I'll have it linked in the description box or up in the iCard here somewhere. But I had a pretty crazy birth story, so you definitely don't want to miss that video if you haven't seen it. You get to meet Dawson in that video, and you get to hear about the insane birth story that we had. It was quite an adventure. But in any case, I definitely realize now in trying to film how difficult it is going to be to continue to film these videos now that I have a newborn. This was supposed to be a fairly simple clean with me video, doing my kitchen, my dining room, my living room, and Holden's bedroom. And it ended up taking me all day. And I didn't even have Holden, my other son, with me this day. Him and his dad had gone to do some other stuff, so it was just me and baby Dawson for the majority of the day, and it was really hard to get everything done. So let me know in the comments down below if you are a mom, if you're a mom, especially a mom of more than one. Let me know how you managed to get things done, because I felt like I was stopping every 5 seconds, and this turned into an all-day clean with me just to clean those rooms. So you guys will see later on, I'm even going to have an outfit change because I get spit up on. And you'll see later on at the end of the video that I'm filming in the complete darkness because it's like 10 o'clock at night. But in any case, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I really hope that it inspires you as well. So we are starting in the kitchen, which is where I typically like to start. And as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, it was a bomb. And that's how I feel. I just feel like every day I wake up and my house is a bomb, and then I manage to get it somewhat tidied up, and then it just gets to be a bomb again later on in the day. And I know I'm not trying to put too much pressure on myself. Like, I'm just trying to enjoy my baby. I'm trying to make sure that my other son is okay with having a new baby, and I'm just trying to figure out my life as it goes. But it's definitely been an adjustment for me because I do like to keep things rather clean. I mean, I have a cleaning channel here on YouTube, so so it's definitely been an adjustment, that's for sure.
Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you, just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. Don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. Wings.
So now that we are done in the kitchen, we're going to move over into the living room, and Holden was with me for this portion, and he did decide to come over and help me for a bit. So you're going to see him here in a minute, and later on you'll see baby Dawson as well. But I definitely, with these 3 crates that I have of his toys, they're always getting all mixed up. I like to try to keep them somewhat organized. Like I like to keep like trucks all in one, and then Legos all in one, and then miscellaneous toys in another. So I end up having to rearrange them sometimes. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just going through and organizing them a bit. You guys are going to see my outfit change here in a minute, and it happened shortly after this. Holden ended up having a huge meltdown here in this moment because he was running around with his sucker in his mouth, and of course we couldn't have that, so then we had a huge fight. I stopped filming for a while. In between then, I was feeding Dawson. He spit up on me. We have an outfit change. It's just a lot going on. But I am absolutely loving being a mom of 2. And I just can't believe how I was always worried about having another baby, because I was like, am I going to be able to love another baby as much as I love Holden? Because my love for him is just insane. If you're a mom, you know. And I know that they always say, like, as soon as your baby comes, you just have enough love, and it's so true. I kind of thought that was so cheesy to hear that, but it is absolutely true, and I just love him just as much as Holden, so it's crazy. And he's over there in the background sleeping, as you guys can see. He currently right now has his days and nights completely mixed up. Some nights he'll be okay, but then all of a sudden the next night it's like he's just up partying all night. I always call him my little party baby.
Gonna rise and fly, and leave the goals between the lines. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly.
So now we're going to move over into Holden's room, and as you can see, it was quite a mess, and he had peed his bed the night before, so I have to go through and strip all of his bedding off. I'm going to first of all clean up all his tracks. He is still obsessed with his train tracks, and he plays with them almost every day, so we're always cleaning up tracks around this house. But then I'm going to go ahead and strip everything off his bed and make his bed again, and just kind of work to get his room a little bit cleaner, because it is so messy and I have not had time to get in there. And he does pretty good. Like, if I ask him to clean up, he will, but of course he's only 3.5, so he's not going to do as good of a job as I'm going to be wanting to do, obviously. So and then you guys are going to see here in another couple of minutes, maybe Dawson does wake up, and I ended up using my carrier. He really, really loves being in the carrier. He doesn't really care for it so much when I'm cleaning, but when I'm just going for a walk, he absolutely loves that and falls asleep immediately. So that is definitely a mom hack for sure.
Easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman.
So while I was in here, I wanted to go ahead and just tidy up in Holden's closet, and I wanted to just get organized all of his old clothes. So I have in these boxes some clothes that are too small for him, and I need to go ahead and just organize that and get them all put aside and close up those boxes so they're starting to overflow. So I wanted to organize that a bit as well and just do a little bit of purging in there. Well, you guys, we are now nearing the end of the video, and I am much happier with how my home looks. Of course, it's already a bomb again the next day, but I definitely felt a lot better getting back into the swing of things and starting to film and just kind of starting to feel like myself again. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if I was able to give you any inspiration, and let me know for sure if you have any tips on just getting things done in general with 2 kids and a newborn, and just, you know, I definitely don't want to put a lot of pressure on myself, but I also want to keep my home clean. That's what I like. That's how I feel more calm in day-to-day life. That helps with my anxiety a lot. So yeah, definitely let me know if you have any tips for that as well. And thanks so much for hanging out with me today, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.